Here's a little tip when you're building with recycled materials or even new materials. We're going to put a beam across the back of our maintenance garage, and the beam is going to be where we hang all of our pulleys, plus it'll be where it takes a load when they move the building around. So we're using some recycled beams here. This one is an LVL, laminated veneered lumber. And then this is a solid wood beam. This one is a solid western cedar. That's it. This one's a solid western cedar. Okay, you see the little cracks in here. Sometimes you'll see them up on the high edge like this. When you look at a beam like this, now when we sand this down and stain it, it's going to look good. There was a little bit of delaminating on the end, just very little. I wanted to pull it together. So I used a little bit of water, Tight Bond 3. And then because this is going to be at the very back of the house where the water sheds this way, even though the tar paper and everything will come and go over it, just at the lower side of any roof, it takes a little bit of moisture. It can develop moisture there. The moisture might sit on top of it. It's not a very steep roof. So it's been 30 years of my experience that if you'll take and paint the top of your beam with the Tight Bond 3, which is an exterior waterproof glue, then you'll get a nice seal here that will last forever as long as it is not exposed to the sun. So after we've painted it, you see that these little spots develop, and they're like little ant mounds in there. If water ever got in there in any way, then it would rot that from the inside, and you wouldn't even notice it until it was too late. So every beam has a little hole like that, little pinholes like that. So fill them up, do it slowly. Ah, look at there. It's actually coming all the way through this 12-inch beam. So the bigger holes, 2 or 3 applications, and ought to fill them up nice. And it'll keep it waterproof, watertight.